And for the histopathology, what it does is it studies tissues with the use of microscopes. And this is a part of pathology that is employed in studying things like lumps and cancers and what have you. That's what it's saying. Now, the histopathology, tissue, pathology. Cytopathology, on the other hand, is the study of how disease processes affect the cells. Cytopathology. Sometimes it is merged with histopathology to form the clinical pathology. So this studies disease processes at the level of the cell. Microbiology, if you look at my lecture, it was a lecture, I think I'll add that in the link below, where we talked about the history and scope of microbiology. Microbiology studies microorganisms, and these are tiny, basically any organism that cannot be seen with the naked eye, that requires the use of a microscope, studied under microbiology. And we have chemical pathology, which we're talking about today, which I will eventually try to talk more on subsequently in the lecture. Then hematology, blood. So hematology studies blood. It studies blood, kind of the physiology as well as the pathologies of blood. Things like the various types of anemias, causes of anemias, and even the cancers and malignancies of the blood. Immunopathology, like I mentioned while writing earlier, I said sometimes it's merged with microbiology because it's just the way of understanding how our immune system reacts to disease situations, so immunopathology. And lastly, there's a relatively new class in the branch of pathology, which is the molecular pathology and genetics. And that is where diseases are studied at the molecular level. So we've gone from the tissue level to the cellular level, down to the molecular level, and genes are used to understand pathology. So this